This will be the final demonstration of my Xbox 360 home theater computer. It's running Xbox Media Center, which launches before the Windows environment and plays a small video before going to the main user interface. So I'll turn the Xbox 360 on and you can see the launch of the machine.
Welcome to Regal Entertainment. Refreshments are available in the lobby. And please, keep our theater clean by disposing of trash in specified containers. And remember, gift certificates are available for any special occasion. Enjoy the show.
So as you can see, the computer directly launched into Xbox Media Center, and I have a video that is in a playlist that plays at the start of Xbox Media Center every time it launches. I also have a small bit of code within the system that prevents the playlist information from being displayed that I will link to my post at the bottom of this video. So if you have any questions, just leave your comments and I'll try and get to you. Thank you.